joke. Oops, borracho y loco. Borracho y loco. En mi corazón, idiota. En mi corazón, idiota. It's her face.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be on this look that I'm wearing right now. If you want to recreate it, then just keep on watching. So for today's video, we are going to use the Morphe Social Butterfly palette and the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. So we are going to start with the Desi Katie Friendcation palette. Grab the shade Cheese, which is this dark brown shade right there. I'm gonna grab that color with this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna place that on the crease. I'm gonna go back in with that same shade and then I'm gonna go with this shade called Basic and put that above the crease with that same brush. Then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. This is the Social Butterfly palette. I'm gonna grab the shade hashtag Meme Girls, which is this one right here. I'm gonna use this packing brush here and place that all over the lid. And then I'm gonna blend it out with that shade from the Friendcation palette. That dark brown there called Jeans. Then I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe palette and grab some more of the Meme Girls. And then with no further product, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm gonna go in with a smaller packing brush and go back in with the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette and grab this shade down here called Game Over. It's that shade right here. I'm gonna spritz a little bit with my Urban Decay All Nighter. And I'm gonna put that on the outer corner here. And then going back to that Morphe palette, I'm gonna use the shade Squad Goals and just with my finger put that on top of Meme Girls. I'm gonna go back in with the Friendcation palette and use that brown, dark brown shade again, Jeans, on my fluffy brush. And then I'm gonna grab the shade right next to it, which is called Basic. This shade right here and put that over the brown shade I just placed. I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we are back with the other eye. We're gonna go ahead and do the foundation and then finish the eye look. Today I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade Desert Beige. And for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Then to set the concealer and foundation in place, I'm going to use my Coty Airspun Loose Powder. I'm going to grab that with my 302 brush, tap out the axis, set my under eye first before it starts to crease, and then just set the rest of the face. And to bronze up the face, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild bronzer. This is in the shade Queen's Land. I'm gonna contour the nose today, I'm gonna go ahead and use that same bronzer with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And for blush today, I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Eye Makeup Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and I'm gonna be using, this orange shade here. Just grabbing my Real Techniques brush. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use the Oh Darling highlighter from MAC. Just grabbing my SL Miss Glam brush. So with that same highlighter, I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and put that on my brow bone. That same brush, I'm gonna go down my nose here and on the tip of my nose and also on the Cupid's bow. Now to finish the lower lash line, I'm gonna go with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil. This is in the shade Perversion. Underneath the waterline, I'm gonna go on my lash line with the shade Meme Girls from the Morphe palette. And I'm gonna use this angled liner brush and place that as close as I can to the lower lash line. This is the P24 brush. And go in with the Friendcation palette with the shade Jeans and smoke at the lower lash line. And now with this angled brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Just a Kiss from the Friendcation palette. And then to intensify the color, I'm gonna spritz some of my own lighter spray and put that in the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go with my L'Oreal Voluminous in Carbon Black. And then for the lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Downtown Beauty. And then I'm going to be using the Luxe lipstick from ColourPop. This is in the shade Friends. And then in the center of the lips, I'm going to go in with my MAC liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Cafe Au Chic, and just place a little bit in the middle. Then to set everything in place, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in my next one. Toodles!